Welcome to our comprehensive guide on how to find playlists with search filters in YouTube on your PC. In this tutorial, we'll show you the step-by-step process to easily discover playlists that match your interests. Step 1. Open YouTube on your PC. Launch your web browser and navigate to youtube.com. Step 2. Enter your keywords in the YouTube search bar and click the search button. This will generate a list of videos and playlists related to your search. Step 3. Now, at the top of the search results, you'll see a row of filter options. Click on the Filters button to refine your search. Step 4. From the available filters, choose the Playlist filter. This will narrow down the search results to show only playlists that align with your search criteria. By utilizing the search filters in YouTube, you can easily find playlists that cater to your specific interests, whether it's music, tutorials, gaming, or any other topic you're passionate about. Thank you for watching our tutorial. If you found this guide helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below. Happy searching!